Hi, my name is Amy Dorenzo and I am the camp director. Camp is a co-curricular program here on campus that is made up of 14 different student organizations that are preparing for a collegiate competition. Camp allows you to get your hands dirty, learn new skills, make new friends, prepare for your career, and most of all, have fun. Our teams are free to join and no experience is necessary. We have a team for everyone and all students are welcome. Our teams include aero design, Baja, chemi car, clean snowmobile, concrete canoe, esports, formula, human-powered vehicle, Mars, moon rockers, rocker robotics, steel bridge, super mileage, and UAS. If you miss connecting with these teams at the Student Involvement Fair, don't worry, it's not too late to join. Come join us at our annual Camp Out Welcome Picnic, Tuesday, August 29th from 5:30 to 7 at the Pearson Alumni Center. We'll have free food and we'll answer any questions you may have. We also have weekly sessions that we call Foundations of Camp that we teach all of the skills that you need to be successful on your team and to start your career. All camp students are welcome. You do not have to have a leadership position to join. Foundations takes place every Tuesday at 11 a.m. in the porch, which is Civil Mechanical 209. Another fall event you don't want to miss is Pumpkin Chunkin', where our teams face off launching pumpkins with giant trebuchets for a grand prize of $1,000 for their team. This year's event will be September 23rd in Main Street Square. You can also always come and visit us in the porch, which is Civil Mechanical 209, or the Cat Lab, which is Civil Mechanical 210. Camp staff is here 7:30 to 4:30 Monday through Friday, and our doors are always open for you to come and ask questions. You can also check out our events on Rocker Central. What do you say? I think it's time you came to camp.